Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for the Living the Outdoor Life collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Home by Design with Marilyn, Barbie Daily, Rural Life in the Valley, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these channels and other participating channels listed below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It can be really windy and dusty where I live, so I'll get all the dust swept up and then I'll clean these chairs. I'll get them all washed down so that way they'll be ready to sit out here after dinner tonight. I'm going to get my outdoor space all cleaned up and ready to start using in the evenings after my husband gets home from work and we have dinner. We'll be able to come out here and sit and relax and catch up on the day. I'm decorating in a sunny yellow this season. I've added a beautiful floral wreath to my front door and a welcome mat with a floral design as well. Now that everything is swept and washed down outside and set up for the evening, I'm going to start making some wonderful lemonade. I have these lemons washed up and now I'm going to get them cut and juiced. I'll make some homemade lemonade to have outside this evening, and what could go better with homemade lemonade than homemade lemon cookies? Lemonade is always such a refreshing drink to enjoy outside. I've always loved going to the fairs growing up and having a wonderful homemade lemonade. To make my outdoor space much more colorful and cozy, I'm going to add these beautiful yellow pillows to each of the chairs. I have this beautiful round tray that I just purchased at Kohl's. It'll be the perfect thing to hold our drinks and cookies. My outdoor space is all cleaned up and is so refreshing for spring and summer. I can't wait until my husband gets home. I think it'll be a great idea to surprise him, and we'll have dinner out here as well. And we'll have our lemonade with our dinner and cookies for dessert. I appreciate you so much, and I'm so glad you were here for this really fun, wonderful collaboration. My husband will be delighted to sit outside in the evenings and enjoy lemonade and cookies after dinner. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all of the participating channels listed below. I'll see you next time.